Hello everyone, in today's video we are discussing one more problem on design of schmitt trigger. So here given design an inverting schmitt trigger to have a triggering voltage of plus minus 4 volt and using 4 op amp which is having supply of plus or minus 15 volt. So here we know that our UTP is given as plus 4 volt and LTP is minus 4 volt and supply is, that is plus or minus VCC is 15 volt, and we know that our VSAT is nothing but 90% of the supply. So what we get, 0.9 into 15, which we will get as plus or minus 13.5 volts. So we'll get as VSAT. This will take it as VSAT. Next, we know that our I2 value is constant, that is 50 microampere. So we'll get R2 is equals to UTP divided by current flowing in that. So we'll get 4 divided by 50 into 10 raised to power minus 6 equals to 80 kilo ohm. Okay. So again we have to calculate the I2 value. So how will I calculate I2 value? UTP divided by R2. So we'll get 4 into 80 into 10 raised to power minus 3. So here we have to take standard value. So 80 is not a standard value. So we are taking 82 as a standard value. So we'll get 48.788 microampere. I2 is equal to, okay. Now we'll calculate the R1 value. So we know that R1 is nothing but our total output minus triggering voltage. So whole divided by current flowing in that. So we can say plus VSAT minus UTP. So we have got our I2 value, that which we have recalculated. It is has 48.78. Now we can calculate our R1 value. So we can say V0 minus UTP whole divided by I2. So here V0 is nothing but your plus VSAT minus UTP, because you are considering for R1 some part, no? So I2. So here plus VSAT is 13.5 minus 4 volts whole divided by what we have got, 48.78 into 10 raised to power minus 6, which will get approximately 194.75 kilo ohm. So you can use standard value has 180 kilo ohm. So now you will get the circuit has, so it is a in inverting terminal. So Vin is given at inverting terminal and positive is given as a feedback. So it is given as a feedback. So plus 15 volt minus 15 volt, and the resistor 2 is given as a voltage reference, so which is 82 kilo ohm, and this R1 is 180 kilo ohm. So this is our final answer. And waveform for inverting terminal, we know that when it is in upper sine wave, when it is in upper triggering point, we get lower. Again when it is in lower, we get in upper trigger point. So this way it will flow. Okay. This is our final designing of schmitt trigger.